Hello, my dear children. Good morning, all of you. Today for class 9, trigonometry part 2. In part 1, you have already got the formulas. All the formulas are given in part 1. You have to go through the part 1 first. Without following the part 1, you will feel difficulties in part 2. So, certainly you must follow the part 1. Now, in part 2, we have given some solution from ML Agarwal. Exercise 17. Okay, see the board. Given A is an acute angle and cosec A equal to root 2. Find the value of this. You have to go through the problem attentively and you have to understand clearly what is given and what is to be found. Here is given cosec A equal to root 2 and we have to find out this. So here is square, so we have to make it square. Cosec A equal to root 2. Since it is square, then we have to take the square in both sides. In identity, what you will take in left hand side, exactly same thing you have to take right hand side. This is why cosec square A equal to root 2 whole square. After simplifying, it is coming cosec square A equal to 2. Then we have to find out sine square A. Sine square A equal to 1 by cosec square A. That is from formula. And value of cosec square, that is 2. After putting, the value of sine square A is coming half. Then cot square A. Cot square, that is cos A by sine A. Sine A, already we have got sine square, and cos square A. Cos square A, that is equal to 1 minus sine square A. It is coming from formula. And after that, we have to put the value of sine square A half. After putting and simplification, we are getting cos square equal to half. Cos square A also equal to half. Then cot square A. Cot square A, that is cos square A by sine square A. Cos square A and sine square A, so half and half. This is half divided by half. After simplification, the cot square A is coming 1. Then we have to find out tan square A. Tan square A equal to 1 by cot square A. Value of cot square A 1. After putting the value and after simplification, it is also coming 1. All the values we have got. Then we have to write down the expression. After writing the expression, relevant values, you have to write what we have already got. Sine square A, that is half, plus 3. Cot square A, that is 1. 3 into 1. Tan square A, that is 1, and cos square A, that is half. After putting the value, you have to simplify. In simplification, we are getting this, and this is the divide. Taking multiplication, the fraction will be changed. After calculation, it is coming 8. 8 is the answer. This part is completed. Now the second sum, another sum, that is 27. Sum number 27. If in triangle ABC, angle C equal to 90 degree. Diagram is not given, but you have to draw the diagram. According to question, triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degree. So at C, you have to take 90 degree. After drawing the diagram, then tan A equal to 3 by 4. Tan A, that means at this point. Angle is forming at this point, at A. This is why AC will be the base and BC the perpendicular. So let BC be 3K. Why 3K? This is the ratio, 3:4. Ratio is not exact length. Exact length will be 3K and 4K. If you see in the problem, ratio is given, then you have to take the length in this way. 3K and AC equal to 4K. After that, we have to find out the value of AB. That is from the Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to BC square plus AC square. After writing the statement, you have to put the value. Value of BC, that is we have got 3K, that is 3K square. And value of AC, that is 4K, that is 4K whole square. And simplification, it is coming 9K square plus 16K square equal to 25K square. and we have to find out the value of AB. So AB equal to root over 25k square, and 25k square we may write root over 5k whole square, 5k whole square, then root and square will be eliminated, so AB equal to 5k. After that we have to put the value of the expression this. After writing the expression what is given in the question, then we have to prove it. So this is why you have to consider the left hand side, LHS equal to, you have to write the expression. After writing the expression we have to put the value, that is sine A. A, that means the angle is forming at A. So naturally this will be the base, AC the base, and this the perpendicular. Sine A, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is 3k by 5k, 3k by 5k. Then cos B, that is angle is forming this point at B. Naturally BC will be the base by hypotenuse, that is 3k by 5k, 3k by 5k. Here one thing is vital, at which point is the angle is forming, that is you have to notice that in people. On that the perpendicular and base will depend. Hypotenuse will be unchanged, but according to angle the base and perpendicular will be changed. If the angle is forming at A, then this will be the base, and if angle at B, then BC will be the base. You have to remember this. Then after putting this value, you have to simplify. K, etc. will be cancelled. After cancellation by multiplication, it is coming 9 by 25, and this plus 16 by 25. By adding 25 by 25 by cancellation, it is coming 1. And 1 we have to prove. This is why we have got the 1. So right hand side it is proved. So sum is completed. Very simple if you remember the formula. Now more sums are given, that is you must try at home on the basis of formula, and if you understand these two sums, I think you may do easily at home. Still, if you feel any difficulties, then you must communicate. I am always ready to help you. Okay, thank you everybody.